Yeah, so this is where I used that cladding tool to do this cladding here. So the nice thing is that it moves along with the wall. It's like in Revit, like when you have like your toilet or other components that are hosted onto the wall, like wherever the wall goes, so will the cladding. And the cladding it can be put on its own layer whereby you can hide it in plan. Perhaps you don't want to see it in plan, but you want to see it in elevation. So yeah.
I'm gonna show you how I go about putting cladding whereby it's hosted by the wall. Like so the wall changes size, it changes size, the cladding. So what you do is you draw on your wall like that, then you come here, design extras, and then you go accessories, wall things. It is not loaded. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load it with library manager, I believe. Then you go add, load the folder here. I'll upload it so you can download it. So you go choose that one there. What you could do is have it where the goodies are, but I have it in a different location. So you go like okay, and then you come here, design extras, accessories, wall. Then there it is. Okay, select. Okay, I made a mistake where I had to have selected the wall. Then you do this here. Then let's pick that one up. There it is there. So what it does is it is going to read like that. So what it did was it picked the properties of one of my custom profiles, which is an I-beam. And we don't want that. We come here, you go to Archicad, then it'll have all your custom uh, profiles. Okay, so let's pick this one. Well, you can't see it clearly, but it changed fine. I just wanna load in like one cladding thing that I had put together, customs profile. So it's actually one of these like that complex profile like that. And this thing I'm talking about, this custom cladding profile. So I just wanna, it's on another project. I did it here. Let me do this. So I'm gonna copy like a custom profile that I put together. This was just to show that you do like your custom profiles in here. Then close that, right? And then let's do this. And then paste. This is like a beam from another project, custom beam. But I wanted to do that. I believe did it a while ago. There. So when they join up together, they make like a steel cladding, just like that. Just one thing, one you how you do it is so that can join like together. So what I do is I have it inside the project now, so now I can do this. Go to clip block cladding, clip there, then you go okay, and it disappears. Does that sometimes, don't know why. Delete it. Let's try that again. Okay, the other option is to turn off Archicad profile. Then it'll just give you these ones. These are the, then you do that like that. There it is. And I'ma just figure out, then do that. So should you put in like a window or door? No problem, no problem. A window like that, and it chops it up nicely there for you. Now I'ma just figure out because it does this from time to time, where I can turn that on and then put in my own. I'm gonna copy this over, select both of them, because should you just copy the wall, the cladding will not copy, just like that. So it appears I did not select the cladding. Do that. It's hot link hotspot. It's here. So that's why it wasn't selected when I went like that, I think. Anyway, so now I must figure out I'm gonna do this. I just wanted to show, this is where I used, this is another one, like one of my custom. When you can see like this line here is like where it joins it up. So all I drew was 1, 2, 3. I drew that, but then when they join up, they just look like like that, like one plank, like that. Can obviously just do it like any way you like, the custom profile. When you supposed to do that, when you send that, should extend along with the wall it's hosted on. So I went to go copy beams with custom profiles from another project. So I'm gonna paste those there. They beams. So this one is called 152 by 5th timber. So I'm gonna do this. Go in here, go in here, and then look for that one, 152, and go okay. Why doesn't it change? Oh, I didn't tick that. You must use the Archicad profile. There we go. And sometimes, like, I just want this one, but I want it running horizontally. So I first do that, put it halfway, and then what do I do again? And then okay, that's fine. I'm looking for another node whereby you do. No, it's not it. No, the other node is it this one? Dude, no. Oh, let's see. Do that. I wanna stretch it over to the other side. That is not it. Okay. It would go from. I don't get it quite, but it's doing what I want. Only problem is, okay, let's put it on that side and then drag it that side. It's working in the opposite direction, but it's doing what I want. So should I drag the wall on this side? Then that happens. So this anchor point should be outside of let's make it outside and then do that. And then should I want its properties, I just go and transfer them. So to avoid just doing that little exercise, once you have it like this, you can just copy it from whatever project you did it as that desirable. It moved from vertical to horizontal, and then put it like when you were working on like a new project and you didn't want to struggle with like tilting it and all of that. So okay, let's do this. Then I'm gonna copy that. On the extension is the plugin. This object it's in German, but I just understand the parts I need to. So you click that on like there, your custom beam or whatever profile. So let's do that one there. There we go. And then let me do this. Turn that over there, and then change its material. Wood doesn't want. It's an object. So let's see. Unlock that. Whatever material we like on it, just like that. Let's load in another one. Cladding. Oh, this clip log cladding. Then I didn't take this here and it disappeared. It's fine. I'm gonna do this. Go back to the beam, edit, and for some reason this works. So I'm gonna go to the clip log, this one that it was just newly created, and see, perhaps I do this right. I put it here, I put it like that. Perhaps it will work. Go save. Still does not want. Figure it out one time. Okay, let me do this. Go edit profile and do that there. Delete those were reference lines and do that. Give them those fields outlines. Let's go save. Well, yeah, we have it. The reason why it didn't pop out is because the field didn't have an outline. But there we have it. We have it there. What do I do? I want this. There we go. Metal surface, gold one. Nope, something like that. There we go. So this one comes like this, at least this IBR profile. And then the other ones which I rarely use, profile with tube. What is that? These ones I don't see I rarely use them. You can play around with them, and I'll also include a link to the original guy who does the tutorial on this. Perhaps that will be clearer than what I'm doing. I wanted to show this one. For some reason it disappeared. Where you can get these lines here. Try this one. That's kind of cool. But I'll include this thing, the original tutorial to how to use this extension. So will come in handy for doing like headboards. But yeah, in terms of like normal cladding, steel and all this, you just use custom beam profiles. What is this one called? 38 by 38. Did I already do that one? So I'll include this file here so you can download, and it gives you problem. You could always just copy the walls into your project, and it will come even though you don't have this thing, these profiles, right? You copy this, it'll go into your project exactly as it is, like this. Just granted that you did come here and load this facade honey. You did copy it into your project, like just like you would with goodies and those, and yeah. So